So this project is IoT based flood detection system. You'll have Raspberry Pi board 16 cross 12 LCD, power supply extension, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, buzzer, and this is the flow sensor. You can see the icon here. You have to blow the air from this side based on the icon, and the values will be displayed on the LCD. So this kit is an auto start program, so no need of any connection to the desktop. And we have to connect the speakers to the 3.5 mm jack and the supply of the speakers to the external power supply. Don't connect it to the USB, connect them to the external power supply. And the secondary, you have to connect your power supply at this slot. First, initially before starting the kit, you have to create a mobile phone hotspot, and the hotspot settings should be as shown in this video. Small letters project 1 2 3 4. Some mobile phones it is not connecting, so you have to try with multiple mobile phones if it is not connecting to your mobile phone. After creating the hotspot and turning on the 4G, we will provide you an Android app, that is flood detection Android app, which will contain all the parameters. And see that this Android app is open because this won't run in the background due to the restrictions from the Android OS. So after opening this, you will have all the parameters here, and whenever you want to announce anything, you have to type the text here and submit it. After creating the hotspot, turning on the 4G network and opening the app, you can turn on the kit. So once you turn on the kit, the Raspberry Pi board will connect to your mobile phone hotspot and take the internet, and it will calculate the temperature and humidity, the water level sensor. If you remove the level, this will be low, you can see here, and if I keep it in water, it will become 2 LED, that is high, and flow value as well as, and display the same on the LCD. So it will show you the temperature, humidity, low value, that is what are the values. I'm just removed the sensor from the water to show the low value, and the same values are displayed here. So just I'm showing that I'm putting the sensor on the water, and you can see the status changed here to high. Same, this app will work anywhere in the world, and you can see the level of high and this thing. So now the condition, this is the temperature and humidity. Now the condition is, if the water flow value is greater than somewhere around 60 liters per second, and the water level is high, then we will get the flood detection alert. So I'm blowing the air, that is water flow. If you connect the pipe, the flow will be there. I'm just see the indication and blowing the air. Now you can see the water flow values here. I have stopped the blowing. Now it has increased to greater than 60. Now it is reduced again. So once it is greater than 60, it will give you the alert, but it should be constant for a few seconds. Let me blow it harder.
Alert flood detection.
So now you can see here the values. Whenever it's high, you get the alert flood detection on the LCD, and voice or also it. Now if you want to send any message here, you can just type that particular message like evacuate. I'm typing as flood. Flood evacuate something, and press submit button. Then the data the same message will be here. Some chance of whatever the message you type here as per your document. Chance of rain something.
Chance of rain.
So in this way it will give you the voice alert, and based on this, the application, you can detect the flood based on the temperature, humidity, and you will get the alert whenever the water level is high and the flow is greater than 60 liters per second. So this is the working project.